check. 5:15. Hindi pa rin nabudot ni Master Tabs. So dito na kami sa C5. Alrighty. Ready na. Kita kids. Botong kuwahan.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning.
May surprise. Hello guys. Effective talaga yung turo ni Senpai Jomel.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
With Papa Ronald, oh. Piso-piso lang, piso-piso lang. Ahon to doon, ha? Go, go, go. Oh. Kaya to kung naka-50 tayo.
ah.
Ah.
Time no see.
Oh, yung ano, pangako mo, Rapi.
Oh, malapit na.
Bigla yun. Enduro guys. Ganda ng ano nito. Ang grip ng kuya. Knock proof yan. Kapit. Knock proof yan. Hindi natin sigurado. Itong linya na to. Wala tong linya to dati. Feeling ko doon din ang bagsak na sa baba. Sa may Eldorado banda. Alrighty. Woo, done for today. Kaya yan. Go, go, go.
So guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating video for this day.
Kasoy.
So bago umuwi, si Ronald kumain muna ng kasoy. First time niya daw. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and kita kits kabagets sa next trail.